In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a reference image in Leonardo AI Desktop. First, open the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser and head to the main workspace. Once you're there, click on Image to start working in the image generation area. This is where you'll set everything up for your new result. Next, look for the image icon with a plus sign and click it. This opens the option to add an image into your project. From there, choose Image Reference. This tells Leonardo AI that you want the generated result to be guided by an existing image, which is useful when you want to preserve a certain style, composition, or visual direction. After that, you'll have two ways to choose your reference. You can go to Your Uploads if you want to bring in an image from your device, or you can select Your Generations if you want to reuse something you've already made inside Leonardo AI. Pick the image you want, then confirm your selection so it's added as the reference. Once the image is in place, choose how you want to use that reference image. You'll see options such as image or video, so select the one that matches the type of content you want to create. Now type in your prompt. Keep it clear and descriptive, because the prompt works together with the reference image to guide the final output. The reference helps with visuals, while the prompt helps define the details and overall intent. Next, choose a model. Different models can produce different looks, so select the one that fits the style you're aiming for. Then choose your image dimensions, which will control the aspect ratio and layout of the final result. After that, select the number of generations you want Leonardo AI to create. More generations give you more options to compare, which can be helpful if you're exploring variations. Finally, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create your images using the reference you selected.